Hello friends, today we are learn capital letter alphabet A to Z with number and color name. So let's start. Black color, sky blue color, gray color, purple color, orange color, brown color, pink color, white color, yellow color, blue color, light green color, peach pink color, dark green color, red color, capital letter A for apple, sky blue color, B for ball, light green color, C for candle, orange color, D for dog, yellow color, E for egg, red color, F for frog, sky blue color, G for goat, light green color, H for hand, orange color, I for island, yellow color, J for jug, red color, K for kite, sky blue color, L for lion, light green color, M for milk, orange color, N for nose, yellow color, O for orange, red color, P for panda, sky blue color, Q for queen, light green color, R for rose, orange color, S for sun, yellow color, T for tiger, red color, U for umbrella, sky blue color, V for fan, light green color, W for watermelon, orange color, X for X-ray, yellow color, Y for yo-yo, red color, Z for zoo, sky blue color, number 1, light green color, 2, orange color, 3, yellow color, 4, red color, 5, sky blue color, 6, light green color, 7. Orange color. 8. Yellow color. 9. Red color. 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Light green color, peach pink color, blue color, red color, brown color, yellow color, gray color, white color, purple color, orange color, sky blue color, pink color. Let's draw. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's paint. Red color. Number 1, orange color. Two, blue color. 3, dark green color. 4, blue color. 5, yellow color. 6, red color. 7, orange color. 8, blue color. 9, yellow color. 10. Let's learn. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.